Hi, I am Simon, Master Builder here at Estha AI. Would you like to have a teacher who is 24 hours on standby to answer questions from students? Look no further. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a teacher bot to do just that. Let's start by logging into Estha AI. You can log in using your email address and password or via your Google account. When you're in the application dashboard, click on the plus sign to create a new app or bot. Type in the name of the bot and click Create. Provide a bot description to explain what the bot is about or used for. Then add a bot greeting that the user will see when interacting with the bot. Lastly, attach an image. You can use other AIs like ChatGPT to help you create a transparent PNG icon. Please note that we also set the LLM to standard mode, as this bot is meant for primary school students. For secondary and above, you can choose advanced mode. Now, we need to click and drag the if-then meta node and all the relevant action nodes onto the canvas. The action nodes required should be decided during the design phase, as each node serves a different purpose. For example, an expert node is used to provide specialized knowledge taken from the knowledge document. In this case, it is used to help students find meanings of words and how to use them. Open question nodes are for slightly longer and open-ended questions, but in this case, we use this node to allow the students to have a conversation with the bot using the vocabulary they have learned. Lastly, the essay grader node is used to mark creative writing pieces done by students, and the bot will give descriptive feedback on the student's writing based on a marking scheme or rubric. Next, we need to connect all the nodes by clicking and dragging a line from one blue dot to the next. This step is important because it allows us to set up the if-then meta node. Each action node is triggered by specific trigger words under each condition. The if-then conditions must be mutually exclusive but collectively exhaustive. This means that each action node is independent, but together they should cover as many dimensions of the bot's main concept as possible. Now, I will show how I set up the nodes for this bot: Open Question, Expert, and Essay Grader. You can rewind and play back this part of the video if you miss anything. For all the nodes, you need to attach the knowledge document. For the Essay Grader node, you need to attach a rubric or marking scheme if you want the bot to only use the content in the knowledge document. Then you can set the accuracy to 100%. Here I set it to 80% to allow some flexibility for the bot to be more lenient in order to allow the student to learn. Once you have completed all the compulsory sections of every node in the schema, you should save your work and do a preview to test it. You don't need to build out the entire bot before saving. You can connect nodes one by one and fill up the if-then node step by step. As long as the compulsory fields in each node have something filled in, you can save your work along the way. Compulsory fields are marked by an asterisk. This is just a basic teacher bot used to teach primary school English vocabulary. The type of teacher bot you want to build will depend on the content in the knowledge document and the customization statements you write for the action nodes. You can easily build a science, mathematics, or other language bots using this framework. If you have any questions, comments, or need advice to build your bot, you can reach me at my email address. Thank you and see you next time.